Chapter 15, Some Natural Phenomena. The natural phenomena are those things which happen naturally in the nature. In class 7th you have studied about cyclones, storms. You have read about these natural phenomena. You learned about how are cyclones caused and what are the reasons and what are the damages they do. In class 8 you will study about natural phenomena, like we will read about lightning, we will read about earthquakes, we will read about tsunamis and other natural phenomena. The first natural phenomena is lightning. You might have seen sparks on an electric pole. Now electric pole sparks are different. They are produced due to the electricity. These sparks are just like the sparks which are seen in the sky. The electric pole, this phenomena is quite common when there is short circuit in the wires. It is quite common when you are seeing this, and when the winds are blowing, then you see the similar type of sparks in the sky. So you might have also seen sparks when you plug in loose, when you are using any electrical appliance and you switch on the plug and the plug is loose, then also sparks are produced. So these are artificial phenomena. In ancient time, people used to understand, whenever they used to see lightning, they would believe that they did not know, and they would be scared of it, and they would believe that it is caused due to the fear, and they would start praying. They were therefore afraid of lightning and thought that the wrath of God was on them. That means the God was being angry and they were being punished. So in this, they did not know more about science. Later on, now we almost know that why is lightning caused. We understand that lightning is caused by the accumulation of charge in the clouds, and we need not be afraid of it. So now we know about it, but in the ancient time people did not believe, and they would start praying, and they would. So what do you think? In the ancient time, was there less knowledge of science, or people had no knowledge? In the earlier times also, people were not aware because the medium of education was less there, but there were people who had scientific temperament, so they would never believe it, and they would think and do the research, and when they would tell the people would not believe it. But later on their theory was accepted, and it was proved that lightning is a natural phenomenon. So we will read